FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. When you look for information on a topic, you probably have some keywords in mind, but are they the same keywords other researchers in the field are using? How will you know you aren't missing great articles due to the way language changes with geography, time, and even within different scientific communities? FSTA helps solve this problem through its Thesaurus, which is the most comprehensive food and beverage thesaurus in the world. Every single FSTA record is assigned with descriptor terms from a controlled vocabulary to identify what the article is about. By using the same terms, you can search confidently across disciplines, geographies, and publication dates, and find the most relevant matches. Let's see an example. Say you were looking for information on lactose intolerance and cultured milk, like yogurt. The Ovid platform lets us get to and use FSTA's thesaurus in a few different ways. The Search Tools tab is devoted exclusively to the thesaurus. If you type the word yogurt here, with Map Term in the pull-down menu, then you'll have what you type to map directly to the term as it is used in the thesaurus, which in this case is yogurt with a different spelling. If we click on the term, we can see our term in the context of the thesaurus hierarchy. We can see that yogurt is actually used for two other ways the word is spelled in different parts of the world. We can also see the broader term for yogurt, which is fermented milk. Plus, we can see a number of narrower, more specific terms that we might want to search, like frozen yogurt, or fruit yogurt, or yogurt beverages. We want to search yogurt. It has already been selected for us, so all we need to do is tick Continue. Once we do that, we will see our results in the search history. Our search so far has returned quite a few results. We can see that our search was a thesaurus search because of the slash at the end of the word here. There's another way to search using the controlled vocabulary of the thesaurus, and that's by going to the Advanced Search tab here. Notice that when we open up Advanced Search, there's a box here, Map Term to Subject heading, and the box is ticked. That means that as long as we leave that box ticked, we are going to do exactly the same sort of thing we did in the Search Tools tab. Now let's search for cultured milk. Cultured milk mapped to the term fermented milk. When we open up the hierarchy again, we can see all the terms that fermented milk is used for, as well as its broader and narrower terms. Over here, there is a box we can tick which will explode our results. Exploding means including the term itself, plus all its narrower terms. Since we have already searched for the narrower term we want, yogurt, I'm not going to explode fermented milk, but instead just click on Continue. Now we have a second search in our search history. We can combine the two searches about yogurt and fermented milk with OR to get all the results that include either of those subject terms. We can see this combined search as search number 3 in the search history. Now let's search our other concept, lactose intolerance. This time we'll search our words as keywords instead of subject terms. We need to untick this box. Our new search shows up in the search history. We can tell that this was a keyword search because I can see that my words were searched in the title, the abstract, and the heading words. Now we'll combine our concepts. We'll tick next to our lactose intolerance search and tick the box next to our combined fermented milk or yogurt search. This time we'll combine with AND so that all our results will include yogurt or fermented milk and lactose intolerance. Our new search results appear here beneath the search history. Now we can feel more confident that we are finding all the most relevant matches for our topic and saving time by not sorting through articles that aren't focused on our research interest. Using this tool makes for more efficient searching.